What's up, guys? You probably noticed one of these white pipes sticking out of the top of your roof system. It's there for a very important reason, but it becomes a problem on most roof systems. Today, we're going to talk about how to repair and replace the flashings around this pipe to keep your home protected for a lifetime. Now, first things first, we're going to talk about some repair options. Now, you have an existing roofing system that's in good shape, shingles are in great shape and are performing well, but you've got a leaky pipe. That means that the pipe flashing at the bottom of your pipe has gone bad. There's several ways to repair this and make sure that your home is protected. One of which is this rubber gasket right here. Now, you can walk into most roofing supply centers and ask for a repair option. This is probably the first thing that they're going to hand you. So what this does is there's several pre-grooved marks at the top of this flashing that will allow you to cut to the opening of your pipe. Once that's in place, this will slide over top of your pipe and then over top of your existing pipe flashing. This, properly installed, can buy you probably 5 years. Now, the other option for repairs, it's a little bit more permanent a solution, is the PERMA system. Now, the PERMA system comes in a few different pieces. The first piece, the base of the system, sits over top of your flashing, just like we explained a second ago. The second piece will then clip onto the grooves over here, and what's really cool about this is then it will pivot to match the pitch of your home. Once this is in place, it has an adapter that'll make sure that it matches the diameter of your pipe system. So you're gonna put this piece in place. This piece will then slip inside your PVC pipe and cap over top of the PERMA system. Now, once this is capped in place, you're looking at a much more permanent seal because the water is always going to flow down the system and away from any vulnerabilities that are present on your existing pipe flashing. Now, when replacing your roof, it's important to make sure that your contractor is also replacing your pipe flashings. Unfortunately, there are plenty of contractors out there that will replace your roof and not replace this small piece that can leave you with a big problem later. Now that you've ensured your contractor is going to replace the pipe flashing on your new roof system, it's important to note which material they're going to use. Products like this are available at Home Depot or Lowe's. They're $5 to $10, and these materials last 5 to 10 years. This is not a good option for a new roof system on your home. Now, the product that we recommend is the Ultimate Pipe Flashing by Lifetime Tool. And the reason that we recommend this is because of the quality of the materials used in the manufacturing of this product. Now, one of those materials is the silicone that's used in the boot around the pipe. Now, silicone is a product that we know stands up to this harmful UV rays of the sun better than any other product out there. The problem with silicone is that it will also relax. So once it's tight against the pipe one day, could be relaxed away from the pipe in a week or so. So Lifetime Tool created the PVC compression collar. Now, this PVC compression collar slips over top of the silicone boot, fitting and keeping the silicone tight against your pipe for a lifetime. This system here, paired with a Kynar-coated galvanized metal flashing, makes for the very best option when replacing your pipe flashing on your new roof system. If you like this video, be sure to hit subscribe, share this video with your friends and family so they can see more tips and tricks from Brightside Exteriors.